Okay, a very good morning to all of you. Now I'm going to start the lectures. 29 students are currently present now. I shared the link before or might be at 9:30 or 9:35 a.m. morning. So I expected that is all of you must join before 10 a.m. So few the 29 people joined before 10 a.m. Now I'm going to start. Hope whatever I shared here, shared the whiteboard which is visible to all of you. Now going to take next example. The next example is that is integral 0 to infinity integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus root 2 into t sine of t into sine of hyperbolic of t divided by t into dt. So sine of t into sine of hyperbolic of t divided by t into dt, we have to calculate, or sometime the question will comes like that is prove that integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus root 2 into t into sine t into sine hyperbolic of t upon t into dt, which is equal to pi by 8 or something. So we have to prove similarly concept. Yesterday I think we solved one numerical or two numericals from the same concept. First I have to compute this equation with the standard equation 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t into dt. Therefore I will get s equal to root 2. So at the end we have to substitute the value of s equal to root 2. Now I'm going to start. So first I always told to all of you or in every lectures, that is whenever a trigonometric and hyperbolic both are present, whenever a trigonometric and hyperbolic both are present, you have to convert hyperbolic in terms of exponential so that the problem solutions will be very easy. So we have to calculate the Laplace transform of this function. So I am taking this part as sine of t into sine of hyperbolic of t, which is equal to sine of t into e raised to t plus e raised to minus t divided by 2, or I think it will becomes minus e raised to minus t because of sine function and divided by 2. Now hope it is correct, because when the term is cos hyperbolic the sign will be positive, and when the term is sine hyperbolic the middle term is minus. Now we have to just separate this part. So this will becomes 1 by 2 outside. I'm taking this part as it is e raised to t into sine of t minus e raised to minus t into sine of t. Now I'm going to calculate the Laplace transform. So Laplace of sine of t into sine of hyperbolic of t, which is equal to 1 by 2 Laplace of, I'm taking in two steps, First I am going to calculate the Laplace of sin t directly here. E raised to t as it is, sin of t का Laplace अगर calculate करोगे, you will get 1 by s square plus 1 square minus e raised to minus t, Laplace of sin t kept as it is, 1 upon s square plus 1 square. Now further simplification or further calculation of Laplace, you will get 1 by 2 1 by 2, this will becomes 1 upon s minus 1 the whole square plus 1, s minus 1 the whole square plus 1 The next part will becomes similarly here we have to apply the first shifting theorem, minus 1 upon s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 as it is. Now we used here, that is a first shifting theorem concept only. While using first shifting theorem we applied, that is e raised to t, here it is plus or plus 1, so that's why we written here that is s minus 1 the whole square. Similarly here e raised to minus t, so minus 1 is there, so we written that is s plus 1 the whole square plus 1. So this is our Laplace sin t into sin hyperbolic t. Now it is a division by t concept is given, division by t concept, so we have to just verify here, that is division by t, so we have to apply the division by t rule properly, so you will understand that is what is division by t rule. It is clearly mentioned, that is Laplace of sine of t into sine of hyperbolic of t upon t is given, so we have to apply integral s to infinity and f of s into ds. So f of s is my this part completely, so I will apply directly here. I am writing 1 by 2 outside because it is a constant and my function is this part, so 1 upon s minus 1 the whole square plus 1.
क्वेश्चन में लिमिट 0 दिया था कि
0 to infinity दिया है, 1 upon s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 into ds. In a question it is clearly given 0 to infinity, so please don't be confused, 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, that's why I compared with the definitions, because अगर s to infinity देगा तो comparison नहीं होगा, नहीं कर सकते हो आप comparison with definitions. So by division t theorem, sin t by into sin hyperbolic t divided by t, division t theorem 1 by 2 as it is outside, and the rules are s to infinity, integral s to infinity, we applied the function f of s into ds here. Now the next part, so the next part will becomes, that is equal to see, this is again the similar kind of functions. If you remember the concept what I taught yesterday, that is integral 1 upon x square plus a square, then that integration will become as what, 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Here x is treated as s minus 1 the whole square and s plus 1 the whole square. So if I apply the integration here, so 1 by 2 as it is, and integration of the first part will becomes 1 by a. So a is my 1, or you can write 1 square 1 square, but 1 को square नहीं भी लिखोगे तो भी कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. So 1 square, so 1 by a मतलब 1 by 1 means 1 as it is. So I am writing here that is tan inverse of x by a, but x is my s minus 1 here. So s minus 1 upon a मतलब 1 हो गया. तो s minus 1 by 1, or you can write directly s minus 1 as it is, but I am just writing here 1 by 1 by a. Similarly here you have to write minus 1 by a, again you will getting 1 tan inverse of s by a. S is considered here s plus 1, so s plus 1 divided by 1, and limit point as it is s to infinity. Please remember s to infinity. While substituting the upper limit 1 by 2 as it is, while substituting the upper limit, this part will be treated as a infinity, and tan inverse of infinity, yesterday we saw, I think in one questions, tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2, that is 90 degree. So pi by 2 minus pi by 2 will becomes a 0. Please try to understand, or I can show here, that is tan inverse of infinity minus tan inverse of infinity. So this is my upper limit, minus I have to write a lower limit. So lower limit you have to just substitute s, so tan inverse of s minus 1 minus tan inverse of s plus 1, bracket completed. So this part by default 0, and I apply this minus sign in this bracket, so you will get that is 1 by 2 tan inverse of s plus 1 comes in front because of minus into minus it will becomes plus, and minus tan inverse of s minus 1. So this is our Laplace transform of sin t into sin hyperbolic t divided by t, or division by t theorem. Now the next one is what we have to use, that is whatever the given in a question. In a question it is clearly mentioned that, and that thing we have to utilize here, integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus root 2 into t sine of t sine of hyperbolic of t divided by t into dt. This implies, means we have to substitute the value of s equal to root 2. So s equal to root 2 here in this equation. So by using calculator you have to use 1 by 2 into tan inverse of root 2 plus 1 minus tan inverse of root 2 minus 1. So you will get the result pi by 8. एक बार वेरीफाई करो आप अपने कैलकुलेटर में अगर आपके साथ होगा तो. So by using calculator you can calculate easily this part. Just we have to put the value, but calci must be in terms of radians, so you will get the result properly. So tan inverse of root 2 plus 1 minus tan inverse of root 2 minus 1, that bracket will give, that is pi by 4 I think, and that pi by 4 is multiplied with the 1 by 2, so you will getting pi by 8. Anyone having using calculator right now? or having a calculator with you, so you can just put the so did you get the value of pi by 8? Okay, thank you. So by just substituting the value of s equal to root 2 in this equation, so you will get the result pi by 8 very well. Now again I'm explaining this part, very easy question. Sometime it will come for a 6 marks or sometime it will come for 8 marks also, that is division by t. The question is clearly given and according to that you have to use. The question is given integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus root 2 into t sine t into sine hyperbolic t by t into dt. Always remember these things clearly in your mind. Whenever the trigonometric and the hyperbolic functions are given, first you have to convert hyperbolics in terms of exponential, and that exponential will used here as a first shifting theorem in this chapter or in this problem. So sine hyperbolic t is converted into exponential sine t and multiplications of the brackets done here. Next is we have to calculate the Laplace of sine t. So Laplace of this part I just directly calculated here. I kept as it is e raised to e raised to t and e raised to minus t as it is. Later on we calculated this part's Laplace also by using first shifting theorem. So the first shifting theorem stated that when the exponential's power is positive, you have to apply that is s minus 1, and the when exponential power is negative, you have to use that is s plus 1. So similar concept we did here. Now the next one is we apply that is a division terms. What is division rule? Division rule clearly stated that whenever the function is divided by t, you have to use integral s to infinity and the value or the calculated value of or the Laplace of that functions. So Laplace of that functions means sine t into sine hyperbolic t is already calculated. We just substituted here and we integrated that function by the using of basic integrations or integration formula, that is integral 1 upon x square plus a square into dx, which is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. We just use that concept only. So we got the integration of that functions. After integration we just apply the upper limit as well as lower limit or upper minus lower limit. So the upper limit gives that is a 0 and the lower limit gives this result, but because of minus sign the negative terms will becomes positive and positive will becomes negative here. And at the end the given question as format was given in integral 0 to infinity or in a definition format. So by using a definition format we got the value of s equal to root 2. We have to just substitute that is a root 2 in our second last step. So by substituting this s equal to root 2 in this equation, so you will get that is pi by 8. Now we'll move for the next question. So the next numerical which will be we have to solve here. I think today's it will becomes a second numerical. So we have to just solve integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus t minus cos of t into e raised to 4t into dt. Just try to understand the question is given integral 0 to infinity e raised to t, not e raised to t, it is e raised to minus t minus cos of t divided by t into e raised to 4t into dt. So we have to just use here the concept, I'm just taking this part in front, so I will get 0 to infinity e raised to minus 4t, that is e raised to minus t minus cos of t upon t as it is into dt. I'm just taking e raised to 4t in numerator or taking upward side, so it will becomes e raised to minus 4t. Now this question is clearly in the format, or I can compare this question with the definitions. 0 to infinity e raised to minus st into f of t into dt. So by the comparison you will get s equal to 4 here. So s equal to 4 we got. So we have to just apply the Laplace. So the Laplace of this part, or calculation of the Laplace of, I'm just taking directly this part, so Laplace of e raised to minus t into cos of t. What will be the Laplace of this part? Laplace of, and the sign is negative, so please give that is a minus. Laplace of e raised to minus t minus cos of t. So Laplace of e raised to minus t will becomes 1 upon s plus 1 because of minus t, and minus as it is. Cos t means s upon s square plus 1 square. We just calculated the Laplace transform of that both the functions. Now the next one is the division by t rule. So we have to apply a Laplace of e raised to minus t minus cos of t divided by, that is t is given. So again we have to apply the integration rule or division by t rule, that is s to infinity 1 upon s plus 1 minus s upon s square plus 1 square into ds. Now we have to apply again the integration. But see, this is just a simple integration. We can write that is log of s plus 1, but here we have to use that is, or you have to adjust the equation or adjust the function. So multiply and divide by 2 we have to apply here. So I'm taking this part, s to infinity s to infinity 1 upon s plus 1 into ds minus 1 by 2 into 2s upon 2s upon s square plus 1 square into ds. Now we have to apply. So the result will becomes log of s plus 1 minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1. Limit point as it is s to infinity. So the upper limit must be 0. We have to apply directly lower limit. So upper limit is 0 minus, while applying lower limit, as it is log of s plus 1 minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1. so this part is 0. Just we have to shift the part 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1 minus log of s plus 1. So this is our the result of what Laplace of e raised to minus t minus cos of t divided by t. Now again we have to use the same concept, that is we have to just put the value of s here, so might be you will get the result. The s is equal to 4 is given at earlier, so s equal to 4 you have to substitute here. So while substituting you will get, that is, or I will write Laplace of integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus 4t into e raised to minus t minus cos of t divided by t into dt. So just we have to substitute s equal to 4 here, so you will getting 1 by 2 log of, I think 4 square, it will become 16 plus 1 17 minus log of 5. So you can take this result as it is or just transfer this value, so you will getting log of root 17 I can write, because of this power 1 by 2 will come here, so it will become raised to power half, and that raised to power half means root 17 minus log of 5. Further simplification you will get the result of log of root of 17 by 5, because log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a by b, if you remember the rules of logarithmic. So this is our final result, log of root 17 by 5. Again I am going to just go through with this numerical, so hope you will understand very well. The question was given in this concept, e raised to minus t integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus t minus cos t upon t into e raised to 4t into dt. So I can't start direct numerical with this part, because हमने डिवीजन बाय एक्सपोनेंशियल कहीं कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं सीखा है कि एक्सपोनेंशियल डिवीजन में रहेगा. एक्सपोनेंशियल डिवीजन में टी देखा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में टी देखा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन में एक्सपोनेंशियल देखा है, दैट इज़ एक्सेप्टेड. बट डिवीजन में एक्सपोनेंशियल ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन में मैंने अब तक नहीं कहा है कि ऐसा होगा, आपको ऐसा मिलेगा. सो हियर फॉर आवर फर्स्ट मोटिव और आवर फर्स्ट application is you have to just shift that exponential at the top or in numerator part. So I just switch this part e raised to 4t, so that part will comes as a e raised to minus 4t, and the bracket kept as it is. So the bracket treated as a function, and that is e raised to minus 4t is treated as in terms of e raised to minus st, so that s equal to 4 we got according to definitions. Now we have to calculate the Laplace of e raised to minus t minus cos t. So we got the Laplace of that respective function. We got Laplace 1 by s plus 1 minus s upon s square plus 1 square. Further it is division by t concept. So for division by t concept we have to use integral s to infinity, and the function kept as it is, whatever the Laplace we calculated, e raised to minus t minus cos t. So the function is given 1 by s plus 1 minus s upon s square plus 1 square, kept as it is. We have to just calculate the integration. So by using the concept, which concept we used here? We used the concept here, that is integral f dash of x upon f of x into dx is equal to log of f of x. We use the concept here. So according to that concept we got the result, or we got the integration of that function here, and the result is log of s plus 1 minus half into log of s square plus 1 integral the limit point will kept as it is s to infinity. Substituting the upper limit will give the result as a 0, lower limit kept as it is but with negative sign. So we applied the negative sign here, we got negative value in terms of positive and positive in terms of negative, and at the last we have to just substitute s equal to 4. While substituting s equal to 4, we got this value log of root 17 by 5 by just rearranging by the use of logarithm or logarithmic, or you can kept as it is, you will get the full marks. That is no issue because we can convert this result in this part because of log of a minus log of b. So we can segregate this part in terms of this. Later on this root we can convert into raised to power half, and at the end you will get the same result. So अगर ये रिज़ल्ट भी आप रखते हो तो भी आपको फुल मार्क्स मिलता है, अगर ये रिज़ल्ट भी आप रखते हो तो भी आपको फुल मार्क्स मिलता है, कोई भी मार्क्स आपका लॉस या कट नहीं होगा. Now next question we have to see, so hope you will understand very well. Yesterday I think we saw few questions, I think 1 or 2 questions we solved yesterday, and similarly we have to solve one more questions here so that your doubt must be clear, or your doubt must be arises while solving with the numericals, because जब तक आप न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व नहीं करते हो खुद से, तो चाहे एक नहीं 10 एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं सॉल्व करके यहाँ पे दूँ तो उसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट करो. लेक्चर बैठते हो, लेक्चर अटेंड करते हो तो प्रैक्टिस करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. विदाउट प्रैक्टिस इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट दैट इज़ यू कैन tackle the M3 or any mathematics, because in mathematics the practice is mandatory. So please remember these things and start the practice without that is waiting for the examination point of view के एग्ज़ाम अभी बहुत टाइम है, बहुत लंबा समय है हमारे पास, तब तक तो हो जाएगा. तो एग्ज़ाम आते आते फिर वो टाइम ही नहीं रह जाता है. Okay, now we'll move for the last question for today's. I think third numerical for today's. Integral 0 to infinity just a second, because I think this question कल हमने एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया था, that result will becomes 3/4, right? If you remember.
Yes,
Yeah, so I think this is again the same question, so that's why I just stopped. Anyway, we'll move for the further next question. Okay, we have to solve just a simple kind of questions, or we have to solve or evaluate this question, that is evaluation is t into e raised to 2t into sine of t divided by t. We have to solve. So see, again the question is in format of division by t, the question, but the integration 0 to infinity is not given. So in such a question there is a no comparison will happen with the definitions, or no need to compare because of that integral 0 to infinity, because इंटीग्रल 0 to infinity है तो ही आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो, नहीं तो आपको नहीं कंपेयर करना है. सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स, बिकॉज समटाइम्स आदत लग जाती है कंपेरिजन की, फटाक से कंपेयर करके s इक्वल टू -2 लिख देते हैं, बिकॉज इन डेफिनेशन इट इज़ क्लियरली मैंशन 0 to infinity e raised to -st into f of t into dt. So please remember these things. Now one by one we have to sort out this part. Or Laplace of sine t we can calculate easily, that is 1 upon s square plus 1 square. Now e raised to 2t we have to apply. So Laplace of e raised to 2t into sine of t, this will becomes as it is 1 upon s minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square. So why e raised to s minus 2? Because of this e raised to 2t, it is positive sign is given, so you have to apply with negative. Now next one is a division by t, so we have to apply Laplace of e raised to 2t into sine of t division by t. So that is equal to integral s to infinity integral s to infinity, and the Laplace of this part is kept as it is 1 upon s minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square into ds. Now we have to integrate. So again this part is belongs to similar kind of integration like integral 1 upon x square plus a square into dx, that is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. But here something, that is a is 1 square, so or 1, so we have to apply directly here. 1 by a means 1 by 1, if you want you can write, but I'm taking directly here. So 1 by a is 1, and tan inverse of x by a, x by a is means s minus 2 divided by 1. So this is your final sorry, not final result, because we have to apply the upper minus lower limit s to infinity. So the upper limit will becomes, while applying upper limit, it will becomes tan inverse of infinity, and tan inverse of infinity is pi by 2, lower limit sign is minus, applying s, so it will becomes tan inverse of s minus 2. So you will get the result, that is pi by 2 minus tan inverse of s minus 2. Sometime it can be converted in terms of a cot, but kept as it is, no need to convert because further solutions not required. If further solution required, then you have to convert in only, but here or in further solution, if it is given that is a value of s, you can just directly put and you can calculate, no need to conversion. मतलब ज़बरदस्ती आप complicate मत करो questions को और result आने में. You have to kept as it is, जो है उसको kept as it is रखो, definitely you will get a proper solution. There are various questions are given on the basis of division by t theorem concept. So by applying division by t theorem concept, you can solve many numericals, but you should start practicing yourself, because at the end you have to attempt in examination or in IIT or NSEM examination. So please be active with Laplace transform. And the next topic which is I'm going to start, and that is known as Laplace transform of derivative. See, the basic definition Laplace transform problems I taken. Second, I started the first shifting theorem, and that first shifting theorem based numericals we saw that is only 1 or 2, and later we started multiplication by t raised to n, multiplication by t raised to n, then division by t raised to n, multiplication by t raised to n, division by t, all parts carries that is first shifting theorem as well as the basic definition of Laplace transform. you must learn the standard Laplace transform, like what is Laplace transform of sine, cosine, or sin 80, cos 80, t raised to n, e raised to 80, etc., etc., because these things are important by using of or by solving of problems. Now the next I'm going to start is Laplace transform of derivative. सबसे छोटा टॉपिक है लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ डेरिवेटिव. It is a very simple topic. We have to just calculate or remember this formula: Laplace of f dash of t is equal to s into Laplace of f of t minus f of 0. Maximum you have to, you can, or a question asked for the double derivative max to max. Laplace of f double dash of t is equal to s square Laplace of f of t minus s into f of 0 minus f dash of 0. So this is the formula we have to use while calculation of Laplace transform of derivative. Sometimes, very rare, Laplace transform of derivative questions will come in examination. Very rare, मतलब बहुत ही हार्डली कभी पूछ लिया तो पूछ लिया, ऐसा क्वेश्चंस होता है. मैक्सिमम टाइम after this part which I have to taught, that is which I have to teach, that is Laplace transform of integral, that part is very important. वो पार्ट मैक्सिमम टाइम एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जाता है. बट Laplace transform derivative is also your syllabus part, a part of your syllabus, so you must have to understand, because few times question asked and the questions are very easy. You can tackle very easy conceptual. Now how can we understand that is the question belongs to Laplace transform of derivative, कि questions को पहचाने कैसे कि वो derivative है. So the question will be clearly state that in a mathematical way, not in a theoretical way, that is find the Laplace transform of derivative. It is not like this. It is in the format of like this. I'm just writing, or I'm just starting the solution of with the first numerical, so you will understand very well. The first numerical is we have to calculate Laplace of d by dt 1 minus cos of t by t. So this is our numerical, or we have to solve Laplace of d by dt 1 minus cos t. So this symbol is represented as a derivative, or we have to calculate the derivative of Laplace or Laplace transform of derivative. एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं आएगा कि find the Laplace transform of derivative and all. Here it is, if you see in this question, it is again a division by t is present. But in a question starting, we have to calculate Laplace, but what Laplace transform of derivative? We have to calculate the Laplace transform of function by using division t rule, and later the division t rule we have to use that is a derivative rule, and that derivative rule is clearly mentioned here. So according to that you can calculate, or we can calculate easily. Now the next we have to start the solution of this problem so that you will understand very well. Now I think we saw this question. If you remember, one question we solved in in division by t, that is integral integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus t sine square t by t into dt is equal to 1 by 4 into log phi. So that log phi is converted in terms of, not log phi, the sine square t is converted in terms of, that is multiples, and that is equal to 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2. So similarly 1 minus cos t is here, so we have to use 1 minus cos t वाला कॉन्सेप्ट और लाप्लास हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं यहाँ पे. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्टार्ट with this numerical. So first I am to write that is a derivative. क्या था रूल? अभी हमने देखा है लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ f डैश ऑफ t d बाई डी टी है, इसलिए f डैश ऑफ t d स्क्वायर बाई डी टी स्क्वायर रहता, तो f डबल डैश ऑफ t हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं. f डैश ऑफ t विच इज़ इक्वल टू s इंटू Laplace of f of t minus which is equal to what? F of 0. F of 0. See, the term is clearly given. That formula I just written here, and we have to utilize here. So we have to start with the solution. We can calculate the Laplace of this function. So Laplace of 1 minus cos of t, Laplace of 1 is 1 by s, cos t means s upon s square plus 1 square, or 1 kept as it is. If question is 1 minus cos 2t, you have to use 1 s square plus 2 square. तो क्वेश्चन कुछ भी हो सकता है, you have to use and division by t rule is. So Laplace of 1 minus cos of t divided by t, so we have to utilize here integration, that is s to infinity 1 by s minus s upon s square plus 1 into ds. So similarly we have to utilize here, or already we saw few numericals, that is how to integrate this, how to integrate such functions. So I'm just writing directly here, so hope you will understand. Log of s minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1, limit point as it is s to infinity. Hope everyone clear about the concept what I used, because again we have to separate and multiply and divide by 2 for this function. So while applying the upper limit, this part is 0, again this part is also 0, so the upper limit is 0, so we have to apply the lower limit. While applying lower limit, you have to put s equal to s. So again I am taking one more step here directly. The negative term will become as a positive, and the positive will be my negative, so I am applying here 1 by 2 log of एस स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस log of s, upper minus lower limit. Upper limit is 0 minus lower limit, so while applying lower limit that minus, वो माइनस क्या करेगा, माइनस को एक पॉजिटिव और पॉजिटिव को नेगेटिव यहाँ पे अप्लाई करके हमको दिया है. सो दिस इज़ अवर लाप्लास ऑफ 1 माइनस कॉस ऑफ t डिवाइडेड बाय t. नाउ नेक्स्ट वी कैन अप्लाई हियर, और इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई अगर करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो आप, जिस तरह मैंने अभी प्रीवियसली क्वेश्चन में लॉग के रूल से किया है, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा करना चाहिए तो कर सकते हो, थोड़ा लेंदी लग रहा है इसलिए. लॉग ऑफ दिस हाफ वी कैन कन्वर्ट एज, आई एम डायरेक्टली राइटिंग हियर एस स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एस by using just logarithmic rule. So we'll get the result. Now f of s, we just saw the formula. What was the formula? Formula was clearly mentioned, that is Laplace f of f dash of t, which is equal to s into Laplace f of t minus f of 0, where my f of t is what? Where my f of t इज़ इक्वल टू, थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्चुअल है, एफ ऑफ टी यहाँ पे पूरा होगा, दैट इज़ 1 माइनस कॉस ऑफ टी बाई टी. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, 1 माइनस कॉस टी बाई टी. सो वी हैव टू यूज़, दैट इज़ 1 माइनस कॉस टी, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग दिस पार्ट एफ ऑफ टी, और इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस आई कैन राइट इन फ्रंट this will becomes, I can write this part as 1 minus cos t is 2 sine square t by 2, 2 sine square t by 2 upon t. Hope everyone clear about this concept. If no doubt, because 1 minus cos 2t we can write as sine square t. 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2 is equal to 2 sine, or I can say that is sine square t, which is or equal to 1 minus cos of 2t divided by 2 by using this formula. So you can switch here to 2 sine square t, 1 minus cos, अगर एंगल डबल है तो यहाँ पे 1 है, तो अगर इधर एंगल 1 है तो इधर बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट हाफ हो जाएगा. सो 2 sine square t by 2. Now we have to apply the same concept here, that is f of 0, क्योंकि हमको f of 0 कैलकुलेट करना है. सो f of 0 हम लोग यहाँ से भी कैलकुलेट करते तो भी आ जाता, लेकिन मैंने ये कॉन्सेप्ट इसलिए बताया कि समटाइम 0 हमको हमारा नहीं हो पाता है, वो टर्म आएगा आगे क्वेश्चन आपका, तो वो 0 नहीं, अगर फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल 0 नहीं होता तो हम लोग लिमिट के जो हमारे रूल हैं, दैट इज़ एल हॉस्पिटल रूल, वो एल हॉस्पिटल रूल्स के बेसिस पे हमको सॉल्व करना होता है यहाँ पे. बट यहाँ पे भी हम डायरेक्टली इस क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं अगर थोड़ा सा लॉजिक आप यूज़ करोगे. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट f of 0. सो फॉर f of 0 वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट हियर cos of 0, तो cos of 0 is equal to 1, so 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is comes as a 0 as it is. So we can write this part as 0 as it is. So this part is treated as 0, or if you see this part clearly, so I can take this part as it is, or 2 sine of t by 2 into sine t by 2 upon t, and if I substitute t equal to 0, so I can get that is this part directly 0 and 0 into anything 0. तो ये मैंने फ़िलहाल हमको इस क्वेश्चन में इसका यूज़ नहीं है, लेकिन आगे हमको न्यूमेरिकल अभी आएगा तो वहाँ पे हम लोग को फंक्शंस को कन्वर्ट करके, क्योंकि आपने एल हॉस्पिटल रूल्स का जो कॉन्सेप्ट देखा है उस कॉन्सेप्ट के बेसिस पे हमको वहाँ पे कन्वर्जन करना होगा. सो बेटर यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट व्हाई वी यूज़, और यू कैन स्टार्ट द कन्वर्जन. सो बिकॉज एक या दो स्टेप का ही कन्वर्जन है, कोई ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत बड़ा इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव फिर करना है. you have to conversion and just put the value of t. So by default you will get the 0. So f of 0 is my 0. I'm writing here f of 0 is equal to 0. Now just we have to substitute the value. Substitute the value means we have to substitute the whole value here. कहाँ पे substitute करना है इसमें, तो लाप्लास एफ डैश ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू एस इंटू लाप्लास एफ ऑफ टी. एफ ऑफ टी का लाप्लास आपने कैलकुलेट किया है. एफ ऑफ टी आपका क्या था, ये इसका लाप्लास आपने कैलकुलेट किया है. एंड लाप्लास ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज गिवन क्लियरली हियर. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू राइट विद द फॉर्मूला बेस्ड. So Laplace f dash of t which is equal to s into Laplace of f of t, मतलब जो मेरा मेन फंक्शन था उसका लाप्लास क्या है हमने कैलकुलेट किया है, log ऑफ दैट इज रूट ऑफ एस स्क्वायर प्लस 1 अपॉन एस. नेक्स्ट वन इज माइनस एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो था फॉर्मूले में, अगर आपको याद होगा तो माइनस एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो एंड एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो इज़ ज़ीरो. सो माई आंसर केप्ट एज इट इज़ हियर. सो प्लीज़ रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स. और ईजीएस्ट वे आपको अगर बताऊं मैं कि कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है, तो सिंपल जो आपको टर्म दिए गए हैं उनके लाप्लास फाइंड आउट कर लो और लास्ट में रिज़ल्ट में एस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. लास्ट में एस से रिज़ल्ट से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. अगर डेरिवेटिव कैलकुलेट करने बोला है तो एस से मल्टीप्लाई करो और एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो तो कैलकुलेट करना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. स्कूल लेवल या कॉलेज 11-12 से आप कैलकुलेट कर रहे हो. वेन एवर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एफ ऑफ ज़ीरो वी हैव टू जस्ट पुट टी इक्वल टू ज़ीरो इन द रिस्पेक्टिव फंक्शंस. दैट्स इट. लाइक अगर कैलकुलेट आपने किया होगा जस्ट लाइक सेम टू अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स और इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स टू द फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द स्टेशनरी पॉइंट. Whenever we have to calculate the stationary point, we have to put x equal to 0 as well as y equal to 0. Here also we can put that is t equal to 0, so that we can get the value of f of 0 clearly. So this is our the result. Tomorrow we will solve next few more numericals so that you will understand very well. One minute. I'm coming. Yes, said.
We are supposed to substitute the value of 0 into t now.
What?
We are supposed to substitute t as 0 now.
Yes.
So if we substitute t as 0, then cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 0 divided by 0 is not defined. No?
Yeah, that's why I told na 0 upon 0 is not defined. So that's why we convert into this part. That's why I'm telling that is here 1 minus cos t 1 minus. I'm just again writing here. Please remember these things. This part 0 comes from this side. Please remember this thing. Or from this side, not from this part. So you have to must convert into 1 minus cos t by t into sin square t by 2. So I converted this part here clearly to sin t by 2, and if I substitute t equal to 0 here, so the rest terms is by default 0, because 0 into anything is by default 0. because अगर यहाँ पे हम हर जगह 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो ये तो 0 अपॉन 0 आएगा. that is not defined accepted, but this part we can say that is a 0, and 0 into anything or 0 into not defined is also 0. okay. Anyone more questions? Okay, now today we'll stop here. I'm going to take the attendance. Just don't go. 35 students are present in a lecture, and the one students asked regarding the group में 6 जन हो सकते हैं, because 52 students are in a batch, but 52 तो अभी तक दिखे ही नहीं है मेरे को, तो एक बार 52 आने दो. but no worries, will definitely sort out this problem if you are facing by this Saturday. तो सैटरडे तक आपके पास टाइम है या कल तक टाइम है आपके पास, तब तक आप लोग मैनेज कर लो ग्रुप अपने अपने, बिकॉज सर फार्मूला लिस्ट अपलोड करना GC ओके हाँ ठीक है, मैं आज ही करता हूँ, आज बाय 12 बजे तक तो हो जाएगा। डेफिनेटली आई विल अपलोड फॉर्मूला। कुंभोजकर एक्चुअली न्यू वाला नहीं मिला है अभी तक, सर ने अभी तक मेरे को भेजा नहीं है, तो अगर जैसे ही मेरे पास आता है तो मैं कुंभोजकर भी अपलोड करता हूँ, नहीं तो मैं ओल्ड वाला अपलोड कर देता हूँ। तब तक के लिए लाप्लास के लिए आप लोग वो चीज़ यूज़ करो। ओके ओके, थैंक यू, यू कैन लीव बिकॉज आई थिंक यू हैव one or two lectures more. Thank you.